In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a location to a new calendar seamlessly, ensuring that all your appointments are well organized and efficiently managed. Let's get started by navigating to the availability section. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Add New Calendar. Go ahead and click on that. This step sets the foundation for your new calendar, so ensure you're ready with the details you'll need to input shortly. A prompt will appear for you to enter a name for your new calendar. This is a crucial part, as the name you choose will help you and your team identify it quickly in the future. For instance, you might want to use something like Downtown Office for better clarity. Feel free to tailor the name to reflect the specific details of this particular location. Having a distinct name will make managing multiple calendars much more intuitive. Next, locate the location field. Here, you'll want to enter the physical address that corresponds to the calendar you're creating. Make sure to be as precise as possible with the address. This way, everyone involved will know exactly where appointments at this location will be held. Entering the correct address is key to avoiding any future confusions or miscommunications. Once the location is set, it's time to add any other pertinent details. You'll find a field for an email address, which is particularly useful for receiving notifications about appointments or changes on this calendar. If you're in a collaborative environment, using a general office email or a team-specific one might be beneficial. This step ensures that everyone stays informed about schedules and updates. After you've filled in all the details, click on Save. By doing this, your new calendar comes to life, ready to start organizing appointments. However, to make sure it's fully functional, you'll need to select the types of appointments that should be available for this specific location. This is an important aspect because customizing appointment types helps streamline operations tailored to the services or meetings typical for that location. Take a moment to review the list of appointment types. Select those that align with what this location offers or hosts. This could range from client meetings, consultations, or even internal team discussions. Once you've made your selections, just hit Save Appointment Types. This final step ensures your calendar is not only active, but optimized for practical use. Congratulations! You've successfully added a location to a new calendar. This organized platform will facilitate smooth scheduling and clear communication across your team. With all these steps completed, managing your meetings or sessions at this location will be more efficient than ever.